Hey everybody, Mark, Five Angels Outdoor. Thanks for tuning in. So what we have right here behind us is the Tozalazz portable air compressor. As you know, we have a couple rigs now in the stable. We have the Bronco and we have the Jeep. Jeep doesn't have an air solution, so Tozalazz was nice enough to send us out one of their portable units. And what we're going to do today is we're going to show you what came in the kit. We're going to test it out from an airing up perspective, give some timings to it. And what we'll probably do too at the end is do like a little steel cage match competition between this and the ARB twin that we have in the Bronco. So should be pretty cool, but let's take a look. Let's see what's in the box, show you the specs. All right, so basically in the box, here's what we got. Comes in, packed into this easy carry-on bag, which is a pretty nice touch. Everything fits in here, which is great. We actually have the air unit itself. Now this handle does fold down, so when you pack it into the bag, it's just a matter of folding it up, folding it down, but definitely makes it easy to carry. We have our alligator style clip here for connecting the unit to the battery, give it some power. Here is an air hose with a pressure gauge, our little connector hose so we can plug it on into the tire to fill the air in. And then you have some instructions along with some nozzle tips and whatnot for shooting air and filling up balls or inflatables or whatnot here. So just a couple little accessories, but that's basically what's in the kit. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna put up on the screen over here the specs for this, and let's take a look at just what the manufacturer Tozalazz has to say about this unit. All right, first step, let's get these tires aired down to like an off-road pressure. So I think we're gonna go for like 18 PSI. That sounds like a good way to test it. Oh, here we go. We have the unit. We're all connected. We're down to about 18 pounds. It's pretty much typical what I air down. This is a 37-inch tire. So cold temp is around 38. So we're gonna go from 18 pounds to 38 pounds. We'll see how long. I'll get a timer going. We'll see how long that takes with the Tozalazz. So here you go. We are looking 2 minutes, 32 seconds, pretty much to get the tire from 18 PSI to 38 PSI. Pretty easy, pretty impressive. All right, everybody, so there you have it. Tozalazz 12-volt portable air compressor. It's great in a sense that, this is something we needed for the Wrangler Rubicon since it doesn't have any onboard air. This way we can make sure that we can utilize air in both vehicles, be able to air up, air down if we're not venturing out together, if we're just taking, say, the Wrangler instead of the Bronco. But either way, it's good to have it. It's great how the bag works out. I mean, I tested it on the 37s going from 18 pounds to 38 pounds. So basically airing up, and 2.5 minutes for this little guy. So just check out the specs. Check out the site. I mean, it could be something that you need if you don't want to permanently mount some sort of compressor in your vehicle. If this is something that you need to store anywhere, it's great and easy. So just test it out. I mean, All I wanted to do was just showcase the product, show you its abilities, and we'll go from there. But thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll continue doing some of these install and review type videos, but keep an eye out on the channel, and I thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.